Hey there. We've all been there when our car batteries decide to take a little break. Here's a simple and friendly step-by-step guide on how to jumpstart your car. Be prepared. It's always good to carry thick, high-quality jumper cables in your trunk. You never know when they'll come in handy. Seek assistance. Find another kind-hearted driver who's willing to lend a helping hand. Teamwork makes the dream work. Safety first. Before you start, make sure both ignition switches are turned off and engage those parking brakes. Safety is our top priority. Expose the nodes. Remove any plastic caps covering the battery terminals so that the metal nodes are properly exposed. Clamp it on. Now comes the fun part. Take the red clamp and attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. The other red clamp goes on the positive terminal of the good battery. Don't worry, attaching these clamps is generally safe to the touch. Black clamps. Next, grab the black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. The other black clamp should go on an unpainted surface of your car, like a bolt to ground the current. Just be cautious not to clamp it onto the battery, fuel system, or any other electrical parts. We don't want any sparks or surprises. Time to review. Now, ask your friendly helper to start their engine. Wait for a few minutes and then give starting your car a try. If it doesn't start right away, no worries. Let it charge for a few more minutes and try again. Charge and conquer. Allow the battery to charge for about 5 minutes. Once your car starts up, you're almost there. Unclamp in reverse. Carefully remove the clamps in reverse order. Start with the black clamp from your car's grounding surface, then remove the black clamp from the helper vehicle. Finally, remove the red clamp from the helper vehicle, and lastly, the red clamp from your car. Keep it running. To make sure your battery holds its charge, keep your car running for about 30 minutes. It's like a little post-jumpstart workout for your car. Remember, while jumpstarting is a temporary solution, older batteries might need to be replaced soon. It's always a good idea to consult with your trusty service professional for guidance. Vision Zero. Be a Truby hero.